Hi, I'm Edd China. I'm here to explain some simple car maintenance jobs. This time we're going to treat this famous Mondeo V6 to some injector cleaner. For this very simple job, all you need is some LIQUI MOLY Injector Cleaner, some orange gloves. You don't even need any paper towel. Now this is an incredibly low maintenance way of giving your engine a new lease of life. Just open the fuel filler and then carefully pour the product into your fuel tank. Now to help with that, the product very carefully and very handily comes with its own funnel. Pop that onto there like so, and pop it into the fuel tank. Now this stuff is designed to chemically clean the fuel injectors of any carbon deposits or sludgy fuel. And what that means is that your spray pattern coming out of the injector is actually the way it was always designed to be. And then you get the double whammy, a bit more power and even more miles to the gallon. And this little bottle here is enough to treat up to 70 litres of fuel. Now after 150,000 miles, this poor little engine is bound to have lost a bit of power. But thanks to the injector cleaner, a few of those horses will now be back in the stable.